All right, real quickly from an Asian squat. People are still reaching out about the muscle workshop. Still inquiring about the rental of it before it goes to the main library where it's ticked up just a little bit more of an investment. So I'm going to keep extending it. As I've said, if people are interested and people are still doing the work and I'm looking at the views of it and it's still growing and they're still gaining exposure to the 6.5 hours of information on it, I'll keep extending it because I love people that want to change to any level. In any way I can help, I'm going to do so. That's what the whole point of this is. So reach out for, email me, info@TommyJohnIII.com for questions about the details of it. I have many workshops going on where I've covered hormones and menopause, andropause, mental health, relationships, belief patterns, doing the tough stuff, living from the heart, nourishment, calf jump, spinal hygiene, hanging, all things feet, ankles, calves, all things hands, wrists, forearms, and that might be it. And then this one was understanding muscle and its intimate relationship with you, your symptoms, your life. Covered everything from muscle, what its purpose is, the depths of it, some kind of nerdy physiology, neurology stuff, and then what the difference between true training is, training that's being pitched out there, training and physical activity, muscle and lymph, muscle and teeth, muscle and eyes, muscle and hormones, muscle and nourishment, muscle and rest, muscle and light, muscle and beliefs, muscle and everything, the role it takes in everything. This is one of the most critical tissues we have to address because it's the only tissue you can consciously control that we have. You don't control anything else consciously. Everything else just kind of responds to you. But to get to any system, you have to go through muscle. To change any system, you have to go through muscle. To experience any system, you have to go through muscle. That's where we started when we were birthed on this planet and where we will continue to go, but where we've gotten lost, listening to the mainstream messages and what's trending and popular, not what's truthful and honest in regards to how the body works. So it's 6.5 hours. I provided some basic training movement patterns and movements, basic that you can get creative with. There's a 3-part workshop coming up where I'm going to go into over 200 specific moves relating to all patterns and all areas of the body. This will be done a little differently because it's not going to be concepts and principles and taking symptoms and injuries and rehab and energy and believe any of these things into consideration. It is literally just, here's a move, here's how you do it. And they are moves that I do clinically and personally, and then they're also moves from the book I published in 2018, Minimize Injury, Maximize Performance, which was marketed as a youth sports injury survival guide, but it was absolutely for adults, because if we go adults first, then the kids are just mirrors to all that. It was just a low-hanging fruit to get to change and get people to work with me who couldn't come to my office. But now that I'm able to do virtual, the use of a book doesn't make sense. So that's why I did 2 Zooms to update the book page by page. So there's that as well. Anyway, lots of information, but regardless, the replay has been extended to December 11th. That's a Thursday. So you guys have to December 11th to access it at the original live rate, investment level. And if you need more time, just ask me. It's not a big deal. But I am seeing that people are, 1, inquiring about it, and 2, continuing to dive into it, and I get excited about that. So extending that out for everyone who's interested. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and when you email, you will be responding to me. I don't have a team, I don't have a barrier, I don't have a firewall, I don't have anything. You're getting access to me, and you will be in conversion with me. We will be conversing. So looking forward to hearing from you.